So, welcome back, students. Standard 10th, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, Part 11. Okay, so we are into the 11th session. In the previous session, we saw 4 sums of prove that type. And we shall proceed further with number 5, 6, and so on. Alright, so let's see the 5th one now. What is the left hand side? Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. And what is the right hand side? Cosec theta plus cot theta. Now there are 2 ways. Correct? Okay. Number 1, pick up left hand side. What is left hand side, children? Sin theta, left hand side. Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. As I told you, you will have to think of 2 or 3 steps before you get right hand side. Okay. On left hand side, everything is in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Correct? So there is no first step or first process that we perform. That is transforming everything into sin into cos. वो तो possible ही नहीं है because they are already in sin and cos form. So observe the right hand side. Cosec and cot. Let's convert them and try to know what we get. Cosec is 1 upon sin plus cot is cos upon sin. Only for cos and sin I am using this abbreviated form. Oh, like denominator. So sin and up you will have 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. That is what we want. Now look here, children. It's going to be easy. See, what you want up, 1 plus cos theta. And we do not have that. So, you can demand and supply. You can demand and supply. In the numerator, I want 1 plus cos theta. So, this rational expression into 1. That is what you can imagine. And instead of that 1 plus cos theta upon cos theta. So, what happened here, children? See, what you want on the right hand side in the numerator is achieved. वो मिल गया हमें. आपकी समझ में आ रहा है? Alright. बाकी का देख लेते हैं क्या होता है. Now this is equal to sin theta into 1 plus cos theta whole upon. Children, factorization. Sorry, this is expansion. If you remember, simplification and expand, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Let's go for that. 1 square. You may write 1 minus cos square theta. Correct, children? Now that is equal to, now square. You can see there is square involved here. So you can use trigonometric identities. Because in trigonometric identities, you all have square. Correct? So what we are going to use? Trigonometric identities. Alright? So let's see here. It is about cos square. So cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. It is 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. So in place of 1 minus cos square, I shall write sin square. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta whole upon sin square theta. As I have told you, you will have to write the reason. Because cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. If you don't want to write this, you can write by trigonometric identities. Now see, this is sin square theta. So sin into sin. So एक sin चला गया, एक बच गया है. So that is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Correct? 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. I think we came across this. See, ये तो मिल गया मुझे. अब उसके पहले वाले स्टेप हमें करना है. What is that? Yes, ये one term you have to split into 2. So here one more new method comes. Splitting of terms. Splitting of a term, one term into two terms or more. Two terms or more, i.e., if a plus b upon c is there, you may write a upon c plus b upon c. If x plus y plus z upon a is there, then you may write x upon a plus y upon a plus z upon a. This is how we split the term. Okay, actually it is reverse of taking LCM process. Okay, chaliye. So yes, splitting the term. So 1 upon sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta. So got that? 1 upon sine theta plus cos upon sine theta. What is 1 upon sine theta? Sine ka reciprocal. Sine is here. Its reciprocal is cosec. So 1 upon sine is cosec. And then cos upon sine. Cos is here upon sine. Cos upon sine is cot. Correct? So that is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. And that is equal to RHS. Got it, children? Understood? Is that clear? Good. Now let's see the sixth one. It is quite interesting. Look, sec plus tan, cosec plus cot. That is what we have on left hand side. And similar thing, cosec minus cot and sec minus tan. आप देखो वही है cosec plus cot, लेकिन यहाँ cosec minus cot. यहाँ cosec plus cot is in the denominator, or on right hand side it is in the numerator. Observe the left hand side numerator. Sec plus tan वो नीचे है, लेकिन sec minus tan है. So यहाँ demand and supply कर सकते हैं. See, I'm going to pick up my left hand side. What is left hand side? Okay, let's see. That is sec theta plus tan theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. Now, a wonderful process, demand or supply. I am going to multiply. What is required in the denominator? Sec theta minus tan theta. So I am taking that sec theta minus tan theta. But I cannot take only in the denominator. I will take sec theta minus tan theta in the numerator. So this is actually sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta, which is actually 1. Correct? Now multiplied by, look what I want in the numerator. Cosec theta minus cot theta. So in the denominator also I'll have to take cosec theta minus cot theta. So this is what I have taken. Yeah, this numerator and denominators are to be retained. So now further what happens? This binomial and this binomial are multiplied. और वो expansion देखो, a plus b, a minus b, sec plus tan, sec minus tan. That gives me sec square theta minus tan square theta. And what is left? Cosec theta minus cot theta. Correct? Whole upon. Same way. Look, this bracket, cosec plus cot, and the last bracket, cosec minus cot. That is again expansion. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Alright? Into, this is left, sec theta minus tan theta. Actually, children, this right hand side have been achieved. But what to do with this? Okay, they are squares. So look at the identities. Alright, squares hai, to turant identities ko add karo. Correct? Okay, I think I have not written here. We have to use identities. Use identities. Alright, and for identities, let us see the chart that we have. Yes, it is sec square, tan square. So here tan square, sec square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. But it is sec square minus tan square. Sec square minus tan square is 1. And a sec square minus 1 is tan square. But this is sec square minus tan square. That is 1. Alright. Then the other identity is about cosec and cot. So here cot square plus 1 is cosec square. So what is cosec square? Cot square plus 1. Cosec square is what? Cot square plus 1. But what is 1? So it is cosec square minus cot square. What is cot square? 1 minus cosec square. Alright? Cot square will be cosec square minus 1. Alright? If you are getting confused with this, don't worry. You know which identities you are going to use. Correct? So, alright. This is 1 upon 1 into. See children, sec square minus tan square is 1. Cosec square minus cot square is 1. So, I wrote 1 upon 1. You will get very good idea of it when I write the reason, children. Whatever is left, cosec theta minus cot theta whole upon sec theta minus tan theta. Because, bolo tan square wali identity, 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha. And 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha. It will be very clear from here. See this. What is this? Sec square. So sec square minus tan square. Take tan square that side. Sec square minus tan square is 1. Same way cosec square minus cot square. Cosec square. Cot square wo baaju le jao. Cosec square minus cot square is 1. I hope that is clear to you. Correct? So now this is 1 which you may not write. This numerator is cosec theta minus cot theta whole upon. This one is sec theta minus tan theta. Is that clear to you? And that is your RHS right inside. Proved. Clear? You may write proved. Everywhere after RHS in the bracket you may write proved. Clear to you? Correct? So we move on to the next one, and that is fifth and sixth we solved. We move on to the seventh one now. Next one, children. Seventh one, prove that sine square plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square is equal to 1. Children, very easy. The right hand side is as simple as it can be. Okay, let me pick up left hand side. That is sine square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta. Fine children. Here you can see all squares. So whenever squares appears to you, you should think of using identities. Alright. ये tan square वाली identity कौन सी है? I'm writing it. That is equal to sine square theta. Sine you keep as it is because we want everything in terms of sine and cos. Okay. 1 upon. बताइए children, वो identity क्या है? Because 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha. Am I right? So, complete substitution for 1 plus tan square is sec square. So, this will be sec square theta, and this is the reason. Children, very interesting. Sine square theta plus 1 upon sec square. Sec. Look at sec. Where is sec? Here. It is reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon sec will be cos. And if it is 1 upon sec square, it is going to be cos square. So it is 1 upon sec square. So that is cos square. Reason. You can say because cos alpha into sec alpha is equal to 1. So see, 1 upon sec is cos, but it is 1 upon sec square. So it is cos square. My God. This is again identity. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. And the reason is, children, very interesting, because sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. And that is RHS proved. Wasn't that easy? Right? Yes. Now, moving on to the next one. That's going to be easy too. Let's see the left hand side. It's complex. So I'll write that. I'll pick up left hand side. Tan theta into 1 plus cot square theta whole upon 1 plus tan square theta. Oh children, on right hand side we have cot, which is not in terms of cos and sine. And a very easy, just one step. What is cot? What is cot? Cot is here. Move clockwise. You get cos upon sine. If you want cosec sec, then you can move anti-clockwise. Cosec upon sec. But we want everything in terms of cos and sine. So what is cot? Cos upon sine. That's the only step. So cos theta upon sine theta. This is what we are looking for preliminarily. Correct? This is our primary goal. So once we get cos theta upon sine theta, it is cot theta. Am I right? Fine. Okay. Now you can see squares somewhere. यहाँ आपको squares मिल रहा है 1 plus cot square. यहाँ आपको मिल रहा है 1 plus tan square. Correct? 1 plus cot square, 1 plus tan square. चलिए, तो वो आइडेंटिटी यूज करते हैं. tan theta into cot square वाली आइडेंटिटी. ये cot यहाँ 1 plus cot square या cot square plus 1 is cosec square. Cot square plus 1 कहो या 1 plus cot square कहो, that is cosec square. So that 1 plus cot square is cosec square theta whole upon 1 plus tan square. देखो tan square वाली आइडेंटिटी यहाँ 1 plus tan square is sec square. Correct? 1 plus tan square is sec square. So it is 1 plus tan square. So let me write sec square theta. Correct? And because 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha and 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha. If you don't want to write these two statements, you can say by identities. By identities. That is better. By trigonometric identities. Okay? Chaliye. Now, let's transform everything into sine and cos. Chaliye. This one, tan is sine theta upon cos theta. Correct? Into cosec is 1 upon sine. So we'll write 1 upon sine square theta. And now this is 1 upon, it is in the denominator, 1 upon sec square. And that is cos square theta. Be very careful, children. This sec square is in the denominator. So you can imagine that is in which form? 1 upon sec square theta. And 1 upon sec square is cos square. 1 cos cancels, 1 sine cancels. What is left is cos theta. What is left in the denominator is sine theta. So primary goal is achieved. The final goal, that cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta, and that is equal to RHS. Proved. Correct, children? Did you understand it well? I hope so. Okay. Moving on to next two, that is number 9 and 10. Okay. So let's see the 9th one. Okay. Left hand side, it's in terms of tan and sine. Right hand side, it is in terms of sec and sec. Only sec. Alright. Right hand side, I'm going to work a bit. That sec is 1 upon cos plus 1 whole upon sec is 1 upon cos minus 1. That is equal to, if you take the LCM 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1, then the LCM is cos. So yaha 1, yaha cos. So 1 plus cos whole upon. Iska bhi LCM cos. Yaha 1, yaha cos. So you are going to get 1 minus cos. Cos cancels. So 1 plus cos upon 1 minus cos. This is cos theta, cos theta. So this is our primary goal. If I get that, I can move to this and then this and this. Alright? That will be easy. Please try to understand. I'm picking up left hand side. What is sine? Okay, first I'll write left hand side, which is tan theta plus sine theta whole upon tan theta minus sine theta. Yes, we are going to use this first process, conversion of everything into sine and cos. So that is equal to, what is tan theta? Sine theta upon cos theta plus only sine theta. So sine theta upon 1. I'm going to use the bracket smartly. This whole upon, I'm putting division sign. Again tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta and minus only sine theta. So sine theta upon 1. Yes, go for LCM. Cos theta and 1, the LCM is cos theta divided by. Here also cos theta and 1, the LCM is cos theta. Chaliye. Here cos theta into what is cos theta? 1. 1 into what will be cos theta? Cos theta. Yes, cos theta into what will be cos theta? 1. 1 into what will be cos theta? Cos theta. Alright. So, now 1 into sin theta is sin theta. बीच में प्लस है. cos theta into sin theta is sin theta into cos theta. चलिए ये पहली ब्रैकेट में. Alright. Now 1 into sin theta is what? Sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. You can say sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Children, now something is common. देखो, there are two terms. Taking common. If we have written here, have we done that? Yes, actually factorize. In the two terms, a is common, so we take a common. Here, in the two terms, sin theta is common. So let's take sin theta common. So sin theta is gone for common. Here, nothing is left, 1. And here, cos theta. Okay, whole upon cos theta. You can do two steps together. You are converting division into multiplication. So this denominator goes up because it is going to become inverse. And ये दूसरा काम साथ में करते हैं. Sin theta ये नीचे आएगा, लेकिन sin theta is common, so 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta cancels. Cos theta cancels because it is multiplication. So you got 1 plus cos theta whole upon 1 minus cos theta. Primary goal is achieved. Primary goal is achieved. Children, you can do one more thing. This is equal to, you want sec. So in place of cos, you write 1 upon sec. So this is 1 upon 1 plus, what is cos? 1 upon sec theta. I'm using the bracket. Again division sign. What is 1? 1 upon 1 minus. What is cos? 1 upon sec theta. चलिए. The LCM is sec theta. यहाँ sec आएगा, यहाँ 1 आएगा. Sec into 1 is sec theta plus 1 into 1 is 1. Divide by LCM is sec theta. यहाँ sec आएगा, यहाँ 1 आएगा. Sec into 1 is sec theta minus 1. So that is equal to, children, I'm writing it here, that is equal to, yes, ये division को multiplication करना है. So sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta multiplied by, once again I'm converting division into multiplication. So it becomes inverse. Sec theta goes up. Sec theta minus minus 1 goes down. Sec cancels. This is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. Look at right hand side. That is RHS and proved. Did you understand, children? Sure? Are you getting me? Okay. Let's move on to the 10th one now. Alright. Now what is left hand side? Left hand side. Yeah, it's more complex, so I pick up that. 1 upon 1 plus sine alpha. Yes, it's alpha here. Plus 1 upon 1 minus sine alpha. Alright. So it's already in terms of sine and cos. So that conversion is not essential. अब करेंगे क्या? Yes, दो rational expression है. So we can go for LCM. But primary goal हमारा क्या होगा? 2 into sec is 1 upon cos. So sec square will be 1 upon cos square. So this will be our primary goal. So let's transform everything into sine and cos. That is already there. The next step is going to be the LCM. 1 plus sine alpha, that is first binomial. 1 minus sine alpha is the other binomial. Okay. So here 1 plus sine alpha is there. So you have to multiply 1 minus sine alpha. 1 minus sine alpha is there from this product. So here you have to multiply 1 plus sine alpha. Are you getting me? Now 1 minus sine alpha into 1 is 1 minus sine alpha. Okay. Now this is plus 1 plus sine. Actually you have to use this in bracket. 1 plus sine alpha into 1. वो ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ेगा 1 plus sine alpha. Here writing bracket was not necessary because उसके आगे plus sign है. So whenever plus sign is there before the bracket may not be written, but never take risk. All right, because we do not want to make any kind of mistake at any stage of the procedure. Correct? So now you open the bracket. आगे plus है तो कोई sign change नहीं होगी. 1 minus sine alpha. इसके आगे plus है तो सेम ब्रैकेट निकल जाएगी. टर्म +1 और प्लस साइन अल्फा वही रहेगी. नाउ इन द डिनोमिनेटर देयर इज एक्सपांशन. a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus sine into 1 minus sine. That is 1 square. I'm not writing 1 square is 1 only. Minus sine square. Sine square alpha. Minus sine alpha plus sine alpha is there. Gone. 1 plus 1. सूरज की किरणें दिखाई देने लगी. वो 2 आ गया. All right. You may write upon. चलिए अब आइडेंटिटी है हमारे पास. साइन स्क्वायर वाली आइडेंटिटी कौन सी है? बिकॉज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो लुक हियर, यू गेट द आइडिया. ये 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर विल बी कॉस स्क्वायर. यहां अल्फा है सो कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में. ऑल राइट, प्रिलिमिनरी मुझे मिल गया. वो 2 वैसा का वैसा इनटू 1 अपॉन cos x square is nothing but sec square alpha, because cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So see that यहां 1 upon cos है ना, so cos नीचे ले जाओ. 1 upon cos is sec. 1 upon cos square है तो sec square. That is equal to RHS and it is proved. So how was that? Wasn't it easy? All right. I hope you are able to see. It's little bit in small letters. Font is very small size. Okay. So it's because it's very long. Correct? Anyway. Now, yes, right hand side is simply 1. It is as easy as, it is as simple as possible. So only left hand side you will have to see. Left hand side. 2 sine square theta plus 4 sec square theta plus 5 cot square theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 4 tan square theta minus 5 cosec square theta. चलिए अब सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या करेंगे और कैसे करेंगे. चिल्ड्रन, पहली बात कि मुझे सब स्क्वायर्स दिखाई देते हैं. आई कैन सी स्क्वायर्स थ्रू आउट, सो आई कैन थिंक ऑफ यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी. पहली आइडेंटिटी में यहां सब है. साइन है, सेक है, कॉट है, कॉस है, टेन है और कॉसेक है. सो पहली आइडेंटिटी कॉस स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर. दूसरी 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर इज सेक स्क्वायर. तीसरी कॉट स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज कॉसेक स्क्वायर. राइट. सो वो हिंट, 2 हिंट है हमारे पास. हिंट नंबर 1, सब स्क्वायर्स साइन के साथ कॉस जाएगा, सेक के साथ टेन जाएगा, कॉट के साथ साइन के साथ कॉस जाएगा, सेक के साथ टेन जाएगा, कॉट के साथ कॉसेक जाएगा. और दूसरी हिंट भी है और वो है, देखो, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर इज 2, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कॉस स्क्वायर इज 2. सो कोएफिशिएंट की वजह से भी हमें थोड़ा हिंट मिलता है कि दोस 2 टर्म्स शुड गो टुगेदर. सो 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta. Is that okay? Plus, now 4, you can see this 4 and 4. So we believe they should go together. So plus, okay, 4 sec square theta minus 4 tan square theta. Okay. And the remaining 2 plus 5 cot square theta minus 5 cosec square theta. Chaliye, what can we do here? Let's take 2 common, first 2 terms में. So that gives me sin square theta plus cos square theta in the bracket. Okay. Next, in this 2 terms, plus 4 is common. So in the bracket, you will have sec square theta minus tan square theta because 4 has gone as common. And finally, plus 5 plus, so no change in sign, cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Alright, that is equal to. Children, be careful. I am writing something beforehand. ये स्टेप लिखने से पहले मैं लिख रहा हूं यहां कुछ. This green pen is not working properly and I need it badly now. Okay. Let's see if the other pen is working. Green is not working that well. Yeah, not working. See, sine square. Okay, I'll write with black ball pen. Sine square theta, I'll write alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha. And 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha. Because, alright, you are going to use all, isn't it? Okay, now look here. Sine square plus cos square. Here it is sine square plus cos square. That is 1 into 1 because of this reason. Alright, now what about? आगे चलो, plus 4 into, देखो चिल्ड्रन बराबर sec square और tan square वो बाजू ले जाओ. So sec square minus tan square, ये फॉर्म मिलेगा sec square minus tan square. That is 1. Correct? Okay. Plus, आगे चलो, 5 into what? Here it is cot minus cosec square. बच्चों, cot यहां है, cosec square को यहां लाना पड़ेगा. Then you get cot square minus cosec square. तो कंपल्सरी 1 को वो बाजू ले जाना पड़ेगा and it will become minus 1. Did you see? Most children make mistake by writing 1. वो देखते नहीं है कि is it cosec square minus cot square या cot square minus cosec square. If it was cosec square minus cot square, then it would have been 1. लेकिन ये तो cot square minus cosec square है, so it should be minus 1. Fine. This is equal to 2 plus 4 and different sign, so minus. 2 plus 4 is 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 5 is 1. That is RHS and prove. Did you like that one? Sure? Okay. Now let's see the next one. Left hand side. That is sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. Children, observe the right hand side. यहां 4 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज है, साइन, cosec, cos और sec, और remaining 2 are on right hand side. All right, and that is also in the form of square. So what should we do? What should we do, children? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Children, if you want to use identities, yes, tan square और cot square चाहिए तो आपको identity यूज करनी पड़ेगी और उसके लिए स्क्वायर फॉर्म चाहिए. यहां साइन थीटा है, साइन स्क्वायर नहीं है, कॉसेक थीटा है, कॉसेक स्क्वायर नहीं है, कॉस थीटा है, कॉस स्क्वायर नहीं है, सेक थीटा है, सेक स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो यूज दिस चिल्ड्रन, एक्सपांड. यू हैव टू यूज न्यू मेथड. ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन में हम लोग एक्सपांड करने वाले हैं. कौन सा? x प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर plus 2xy plus y square. Here it is, children. X minus y or x minus y whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Alright? Be very careful about that. So हम expand करेंगे. First term square, that is sin square theta. मिलाना square form में. Plus है तो plus 2 into sin theta into cosec theta plus cosec square theta. मिला ना cosec square theta? ये नहीं मिला, देखेंगे उसका क्या होता है. करेक्ट? ओके, चलिए और आगे. प्लस है, सो नो नीड ऑफ ब्रैकेट, स्ट्रेट अवे यू राइट फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर, cosec square theta, सॉरी cos square theta प्लस 2 into cos theta into sec theta प्लस sec square theta. चलिए, हमें साइन स्क्वायर और cos स्क्वायर मिला है, साथ में ले लेते हैं, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, करेक्ट। और क्या मिला है मुझे, ये cos x स्क्वायर sec स्क्वायर, उसको भी साथ में ले लेते, प्लस cos x स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sec स्क्वायर थीटा, ऑलराइट। और यहां कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए हमें चिल्ड्रन। सी, साइन इंटू कॉसेक इज 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 1, कॉस इंटू सेक प्लस 2 इंटू 1, because sin alpha into cosec alpha is 1, cos alpha into sec alpha is equal to 1. Is that clear to you? That's why sin into cosec, that is 1, cos into sec, that is 1. चलिए, now sin square plus cos square is 1, correct? और अब राइट हैंड साइड देखो, tan स्क्वायर cot स्क्वायर चाहिए और मुझे मिला cosec स्क्वायर cot स्क्वायर, लेकिन मेरे पास आइडेंटिटी है, ऑलराइट। व्हाट इज cosec स्क्वायर? व्हाट इज cosec स्क्वायर थीटा? 1 plus cot square, so I'm writing for cosec square, 1 plus cot square theta. आगे बढ़ते हैं, now I'm going to write for sec square. What is sec square? 1 plus tan square theta, correct? और आगे क्या है? प्लस 2, और आगे क्या है? प्लस 2, ऑलराइट। अब रीजन लिखना है मुझे, एक तो all three identities, because cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1, हमने यहां यूज किया, 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू cosec स्क्वायर अल्फा, हमने यहां यूज किया, फिर 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर अल्फा, ये sec स्क्वायर के लिए यूज किया, करेक्ट। चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू राइट दिस, इफ इट इज बिकमिंग मैस, यू कैन राइट बाय ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, बाय ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक, पूरा लिखना मेट्रिक identities, all right? चलिए, now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 gives me 7, plus you may write tan square first because you want that, or plus cot square theta, that is equal to RHS, and this is proved. I hope you have understood well, children, okay? And I hope this pen and paper work suits you to watch it in the form of video. If you have any views about this video, all right, then you please let me know, okay? Children, here I can do 2 sums at a time. If I do it on the board, I'll be able to do only 1 sum, because board requires lot of space to do so much work, okay? Anyway, here we end session 11, all right, and till we meet again in the next session, goodbye.